Alright, we're going to show you how to install the Mind's Eye libraries in Arduino. So first thing we're going to do is open Arduino. And then with Arduino open, we're going to go up to where it says Sketch. We're going to go down to Include Library and over to where it says Manage Libraries. This will have a pop-up box come up in just a second. The blue bar goes across the bottom. Once that's done loading, up here we're going to search for MINDS. Give it a second to populate the list. We're going to look for the one that says Mind's Eye Drone and the one that says Mind's Eye. We're going to click on both of them and click the install button. I've already got them installed, so they don't show up for me. This is also where you can look for updates to the Mind's Eye library by selecting Updatable versus All. Once they're installed, you click Close. You will close down Arduino, open Arduino back up, and with it open back up, you can click the Open button. You'll see Libraries, and then you'll see the Mind's Eye and Mind's Eye Drone.